Mastering the Alphabetical Order, a fun English exercise. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to focus on an essential English language skill, alphabetical order. Now, you may be thinking, I already know my ABCs, but today we're going to put that knowledge into practice with some fun and engaging exercises using alphabetical order worksheets. Before we jump into the activities, let's refresh our memory about what alphabetical order is. Alphabetical order is a system for ordering words based on the letters of the alphabet. We start with A and end with Z. For example, if we have the words apple, banana, and cherry, the alphabetical order would be apple, banana, cherry. This system is widely used, from organizing dictionaries to sorting names in a list. Understanding and applying alphabetical order is not only important in academia, but it's also a useful skill in everyday life. Whether you're looking up a word in the dictionary, organizing your bookshelf, or sifting through files in an office, mastering alphabetical order can save you a lot of time and effort. Now let's get into the heart of today's video, our alphabetical order worksheets. These worksheets are designed to help you practice putting words in alphabetical order. Each worksheet presents you with a list of words that you need to reorder. For instance, if you're given the words elephant, dog, cat, bird, ant, the correct order would be ant, bird, cat, dog, elephant. Once you get the hang of the basic worksheets, you can progress to more advanced exercises. These worksheets will challenge you with longer words, and words that start with the same letter. For example, consider zebra, zero, and zenith. In alphabetical order, these would go zenith, zebra, zero. It's a bit trickier, but with practice, you'll master it. That brings us to the end of our video. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering alphabetical order, and these worksheets are a great tool to help you along. Don't forget to revisit this video if you need a refresher. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, keep practicing and keep learning.